Welcome back to Crafty Kuko's tutorials, craft nerds. In this one, I'll be experimenting with some new pearlescent pigments I got. This one's a beautiful rose gold. Fabulous! Got a fiery orange gold one that needs some shaking. This one's kind of a mermaidy green gold, also in dire need of a good shake. And a very noble blue. Heck, look at that shimmer! These are the molds I'll be using, some really neat crystal shapes. Got a nice variety of shapes and sizes. I'll need a half teaspoon, a plastic cup for each color, toothpicks, stir sticks, and gloves, cause safety first. This here's the resin I'm using. It can kill people. Using the measuring spoon, I pour out half a teaspoon of the poisonous liquid for each cup. Scrape out the good stuff, don't miss a drop. Try to be as accurate as possible. I clean my spoons, cause my mama didn't raise no slob. At first, I only added 1 drop of the orange gold to start with, but quickly added another blob of color to amp up the intensity of that shimmer. Up next is the rose gold, looking like something out of a Barbie catalog. Money shot. Then the mermaid green, which really made me want to burst out singing Part of Your World. See now, this one by far is my favorite. Just look at those waves of color. Deep blues with gold ribbons. Magnificent. Now it's time to add the hardener. Same as before, half teaspoon for each cup and stir for 2 minutes. It feels a little bit like I'm mixing a bunch of magic potions. It is me. I am the Hogwarts dropout. Time to pour these babies into some molds. And now I feel like a mad scientist pouring chemicals from my beakers into test tubes. This one is the cure for cooties. I'm gonna make a fortune. I have a lot left over, so let's mix some colors together. The trick is to angle the mold so it creates a gradient. Now this mold is tricky. I'm just gonna... No, wait. Ugh. Got it in. And now, there, something to prop it up. Ah, so much easier. And now to let them sit overnight. 24 hours later, time to crack these open. Up first is the fiery orange gold. Best way to demold these crystals is to scrunch up the mold and grip the top of the crystal, pulling it out of the mold. I gotta say, I really dig the glittery effect. Mermaid green is next. I pop it out, and it is positively screaming part of your world. This one was the Princess Pink pigment. Try saying that 5 times fast. Princess Pink pigment, Princess Pink pigment. Blah, blah, blah. Next up is that blue that left me swooning. Ah, so elegant, so majestic. And then we have our gradient crystals. The first one turned out okay. Can't really see the gradient. This one is giving off some serious Sylvian vibes here. I don't know. Time to decorate. Oh, you thought we were done here? Heck no. I'm just using UV resin to quickly adhere these decorations to the crystals, but clear jewelry glue works just as well, though maybe a bit messier. All the stuff that I'm using this video, including the molds, all of the decorations, can be purchased on Aliexpress or eBay. A lot of these decorations are actually just nail art stuff. I let them sit under the UV lamp for 4 minutes. This is my stabby tool. I use it to poke a hole at the top of the resin crystals for eye screws. This one's a bit fussy because the cap top doesn't reach the resin surface, so I have to add a dab of UV resin for the eye screw to secure to. Same with this one. The last thing to do is put a bail on all the crystals and add chains. And then they're done. Here they all are in all their glory. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with the results and can't wait to use these colors in other projects. Which one did you like best? Comment down below. And if you have any suggestions for what my next resin project should be, don't be afraid to let me know. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so I know just how many crafty nerds are out there and I feel less alone in this vast, cold universe. I'll see you in the next one. Later days.